If one wants to get his animals slaughtered in other city, so slaughtering would be done according to other city time. Suppose if Eid al-Azha prayer has not been performed in the city of owner, so it's not needed to wait. Who are obligated to give qurbani? So those who are sane, have reached the puberty, residentary men and women. Those who have possessed the wealth like cash, silver, gold, business assets, non-business assets, the things that are not used, I mean the thing that is out of her and his necessity. If all these things are equal to 612.36 grams of silver, and the silver and the nisab by the silver standard is 21 ounces of silver. If anyone possesses these all things, so now it is obligatory for him or her to give qurbani. Which animals are eligible to be slaughtered? So basically there are three: goats, camels and cows. And those who come under goats parts and sections like sheep and rams, and those who come under cows sections and parts like buffalo and bull. How old they must be? So as for the camels, they must be 5 years old, and as for the cows and cows parts and sections, so they must be 2 years old, and as for the goats, so they must be 1 year old. But as for the goats parts and sections like sheep and rams, so if they are not 1 year old, but if they look like 1 year old because of their fat and healthy, so they are also eligible to be slaughtered. 7 shareholders can be in camel, cow, buffalo and bull, but the goat, sheep and ram will be enough for one person only. If one shareholder out of 7 doesn't make the intention for qurbani, but he makes the intention of walima or aqiqah, then it's also lawful, permissible and jaiz. There will be no problem.